Hi lovelies, welcome to my channel. If it is your first time here, you are welcome. So today's video is going to be a natural hair video, and on today's video I'll be sharing with you how to do your own shampoo at home using black soap and aloe vera.
Do you want to know?
So guys, to make your own shampoo at home, all you need is a soap. You can either use a shampoo or you can either use any soap that is available at home. But for me, I'm using this black soap and aloe vera. These are my main ingredients that I'm using. So the first thing I do is I went ahead to soak the aloe vera on water just to remove the bacteria and other unwanted things that will be in the aloe vera. So the next thing I will do, I proceed by like cutting the black soap. You know, it's a solid one, so I wanted to make it liquid, so I have to cut it. You can use a grater, but I choose to use a knife. So after cutting it, and I try to make for once use, but it is much, so I use it for the following week. So then after cutting the soap, I'll go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of vinegar to the water I'm using. And the water I want to use to soak the soap, which is the bar soap, yes, is cold soap. So I'll just soak it until it completely dissolve. So the vinegar I put is optional. I can decide to do that or not. So guys, I'll just go ahead and let it dissolve completely. So while that is doing, I'll just go ahead and prep the aloe vera. As you can see, I've removed the aloe vera from the water and I soak it in a cold water. So then I'll just go ahead and use a small knife to extract my gel from the leaf. So I don't need the leaf, all I need is the gel. So guys, like so guys, you know, this shampoo is super moisturizing. The benefit of doing DIY, which you do it yourself or homemade, is that you know what you're applying on your hair, and so at least to me this is better than store-bought, because not everything they write on the ingredient is always in it. Some are in, some are not. So I just went ahead to blend my aloe vera and use my cheesecloth. Make sure to do this step, is very important, else you will have a lot of particles on your hair. So after the aloe vera foam have calmed down, I just went ahead to add my oil. I add my olive oil, then I went ahead to add 1 tablespoon of castor oil. I love using castor oil on my hair. Everything I do at all, either being hot oil treatment, moisturizing my hair, I always use castor oil because it helps my hair to grow well. So you can see that the soap is well dissolved. So I'll just go ahead and add it to the aloe vera mixture, that the aloe vera gel mixture. And then after that, I will mix it together until everything is well combined. Then I'll transfer it to my applicator bottle and then apply it on my hair. So guys, this is how it is. So simple. You can use your shampoo, the shampoo you're already using. You can use any hair shampoo you have at home, but don't use a body shampoo. Use hair shampoo. So guys, this is my natural hair. You can see how dirty it is because I just remove, like just take out my 3 waist braids. So I just decided to go with this DIY. So that is why my hair is this dirty. So guys, before applying my shampoo, I went ahead to spray my hair with ordinary water just to make my hair damp, just to moisturize my hair, and then go ahead with the shampoo. So I just applied the shampoo. I'm supposed to wash my hair essential. You know, I still have a short hair, so I can't go through that stress right now. So I just go ahead to apply the shampoo and then use my hand to massage my scalp. So if you are still washing and you have not subscribed, please do subscribe and also share with friends and family. Share it to them that they can make their own shampoo at home. This really help a lot because you know what you're applying on your hair. And if you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This really helped me a lot and enable me to know the kind of video you really want to see on this channel, and I really appreciate all your support. I thank you so much for always watching my videos, and please stay blessed. So guys, after applying this shampoo on my hair, I just went to the bathroom to wash my hair properly, and my hair came out so clean, so cool, and my coils are like well defined, you understand. And this shampoo cleans my hair very well, and this is the remaining one. So guys, this is my hair after I've washed and shampoo my hair. You know, Africa hair shrink a lot, like streakage is real when it comes to Afro hair. So guys, after that, I'll just go ahead and moisturize my hair as usual. If you have been watching my video, you know that this step I always do it every time I wash my hair. And the first thing I will do, because my hair is damp already, so guys, I just went ahead to use my Africa Pride Leave-In Conditioner and then rub it very well on my hair and massage it on my scalp. And then I'll go ahead with my shea butter. This shea butter is directly from Nigeria, so this is the original shea butter. Then I'll just rub it on my hair. This really helped my hair to grow and make my hair full and dark. So guys, and then I'll just go ahead and massage my scalp a bit and then comb my hair as usual. I usually comb my hair in session, and I did that because you can't comb your hair once like the way you did to that of relaxed hair. So guys, after doing that, I just put my hair on corals and then leave it for a week. That is what I actually do. So guys, that is all for this video. Hope you enjoy watching and hope you learned something. And if you know this video is helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and please share this video. This really helped my channel, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.